Welcome to our Level 6 workshop for writing. I'm Liesl, your SpiderSmart teacher. Today, I'll help you write a persuasive essay based on a given piece of text. In other words, we'll take a look at a piece of writing, think about the reasons and evidence it presents, and write about our opinion based on that. Will we agree with the author? Maybe so, but maybe not. Here's step 1. First, let's understand the essay question and the argument it's talking about. And let's think about what it would mean to support or oppose that argument. So in other words, step 1, identify the argument and what it means to support it or oppose it. Here's our essay question. Voluntourism is a very popular kind of trip that students often take to poorer nations, during which they do charity work. Many people believe it is valuable for students to take these voluntourism trips. Do you? Why or why not? Let's figure this out. We need to identify the argument. Many people believe it is valuable for students to take these voluntourism trips. There it is. Some people argue that it's a good thing when students do voluntourism. If we support that argument, then we agree. We think voluntourism is valuable. But if we oppose that argument, then we disagree. We think voluntourism is not valuable. Maybe it's even harmful. In other words, if we support the argument, we think voluntourism is helpful and should continue. If we oppose the argument, we think voluntourism is harmful and should stop. Okay, now we understand the argument and what it would mean to write for or against it. That was step 1.